Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this 3D model in solidworks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the front view of the model and this is the right view. Firstly we draw the sketch of the front view of the model, then we will extrude the sketch. Finally we will make a cut extrude on this surface. So before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions, and firstly I have to close this model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now we have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come here and click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. We have to draw the sketch of the front view, so you have to choose a plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on front plane and click on sketch. Now we have open sketch. You can see the sketch is open, and here I have to draw a vertical center line. So here choose center line, and because as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this orange point, the center line will be connected to the origin point. So draw a vertical center line and right click, select to exit the tool, and here choose a 3-point arc and draw an arc here. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and right click, select to exit the tool. Here choose this point and hold the control button and choose this one, and in that relation give it coincident relation, and choose this point and give it vertical relation. Now we have to draw two arcs here. So here choose 3-point arc and draw an arc here. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and draw another one here, and choose line and draw a horizontal line here and a vertical line, and right click, select to exit the tool. And you have to make the arcs tangent to each other. So here you can see this one is tangent to this arc, but we have to make this arc tangent to this one. So hold the control button and choose these two arcs, and here in that relation give it tangent relation. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, just come to hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the US sketch relations or the dimensions. So here choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this arc is 50 millimeter, and the dimension of this arc is 35 divided by 2 is 17.5 millimeter, and the radius of this arc is 25 millimeter. And we have to mirror these entities to this side of the center line. So here choose mirror entity, here choose mirror about, and choose this center line, and in entities to mirror choose these arcs here, and this one and this one, and here must be on. We have to turn on the copy, and here click on OK. And here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to this point is 10 millimeter. And here choose circle and draw two circles here and here, and right click, select to exit the tool, and choose this one and this one. Hold the control button and choose these two entities, and in that relation give it equal relation. Now choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this arc is 20 millimeter, and here the dimension from this point to this point is 50 millimeter, and the dimension from this line to the point here is 45 millimeter. You can see the sketch is becoming full defined, but my sketch is not still full defined because it is still blue, and the sketch is still moving. So here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to this point is 20 millimeter. My sketch is not still fully defined because this is still moving. Yes, you have to give a dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 87 millimeter. Yes, here choose a line and connect this point to this point and right click select to exit the tool. The sketch is fully fine, and it is a little bit hard to see the sketch. And here come to hide and show items and turn off the sketch relations and the dimensions. Yes, and the sketch is fully fine and everything is black, and you can see I can't move my sketch. Now we have to make this sketch to a 3D model. Come to the feature, and if you don't have the feature tab, right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. So here come to feature and click on extruded boss and base. Here in selected contour, choose this area, and here must be blind, here must be a sketch plane, and we have to extrude the sketch about 20 millimeter. You can see here is 20 millimeter. The right view is yes. And don't turn on these two options. We'll go through these two options in the other videos, but for now just click on OK. And here we have the model. Yes, here we have the model. Now we have to make a cut extrude on this surface. So choose this surface and click on the sketch and hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard. Or in view orientation, you can change the different views. This view is better. And here choose corner rectangle and draw a rectangle here. So start drawing the rectangle from this line. You can see the line here changes to orange. Draw a rectangle and right click select to exit the tool. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this line to the line here is 5 millimeter, and the dimension from this line to this line is 5 millimeter. You can see the sketch is not still fully fine because the line here is still blue and the sketch is still moving. And here choose smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 35 millimeter. Sorry, 35 millimeter. Yes. And here come to the feature, and here choose extruded cut, and in selected contour choose this region, and don't turn on these two options. Here here must be through all. It means that it will make a cut extrude through all the model. You can see here must be a sketch plane and OK. And we design our model. Now all we have to do is just edit the appearance. So here in edit appearance choose first, let's choose this boss extrude, and in edit appearance, we can change the color. For example, we can change it to yellow or green. Green is much better, yes. And we can change the color of the surfaces. For example, I can choose this surface and this one, and in edit appearance, I can change it to yellow. Yes, for example, I can change the surface of I can choose this surface, and I can change the color to, for example, red. So you can change the color, and please practice at home and do it yourself. And please watch my previous videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch if you don't know how to draw the sketch. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.